If you're like me, a rookie woodworker, you probably dream about the cabinet saw you'll one day sell your kidney to buy. But today, a smaller job site saw like this one will have to do. I'm not hating on my 10-inch, 15-amp Ryobi. This guy's seen me through a lot of projects and only ever thrown 1 or 2 offcuts at me. But to improve my smaller, more detailed cuts without breaking the bank, I decided to outfit it with a zero clearance insert. I've posted a less detailed how-to as a part of my previous video, how many jigs can a sheet of ply make, but noticed during my research stage of the project, aka binging YouTube tutorials, that most clips catered to saws with a much different insert anchoring structure. So I put this more detailed clip together on how I managed to give this little job site saw that many of us have a facelift. Let's get into it. For the purposes of this insert, the main difference between this Ryobi and the saws in other tutorials was how the plates were anchored. This Ryobi really only has a slight ledge to hold the plate in place, whereas other saws, like the one you see in the legend Matthias Wandel's shop, the insert is anchored on 4 separate ledges that sit much further away from the surface of the saw. This makes adding a sturdy yet flush insert a little bit tricky. So I started with a 3/4 inch piece of ply and outlined the face of the original insert. Then cut it out. Once I got a snug fit, I measured the depth at which the surface would sit flush on the small ledges. Set the height of the cut blade for the router, then flip the piece of ply over to cut away the excess lumber impeding the insert from resting on the ledge. Once flush, I used the fence and the push to hold the insert while I cut the blade clearance. Then added a small hole to make removal easier, which I should have actually put on the other side. I also added a simple pin to catch the bottom of the ledge and hold the insert in place while the blade is running. To help it keep its shape and hopefully reduce friction during future cuts, I sealed the insert. Thanks for watching. If you'd like a heads up when I post my next video, ring the bell, and I'd love to hear from you, so feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below.